So, do you know about this Operation Mir Jafar after Operation Sindoor? We know that the Operation Sindoor for the moment has hit a pause button, but right now, India, ladies and gentlemen, is fighting this war on multiple fronts. You clearly have the rogue state Pakistan that you really need to be vigilant about, but what about the enemies within? And that is where this Operation Mir Jafar has gotten kick-started, and it has also yielded certain results. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about this. This is about those who are wanting to betray the country. The agencies right now are looking for people who are here in India, but they are working for Pakistan. Now, you would recall we've seen a lot of dramatic arrest, a lot of this crackdown. There has been a lot of conversation about certain YouTubers and influencers who've been picked up by the intelligence agencies. One such YouTuber is also Jyoti Malhotra. I'm not telling you more about her because I'm sure a lot of you know about her particular case. And where is this investigation really right now leading towards? Agencies tell us that there are explosive details, and they believe that the Pakistani High Commission officials were actually baiting the Indians with cash, with visas, and honey trap. Now, we know about a name called Danish, who was a staffer at the Pak High Commission. Now he has been expelled. But apparently, what sources tell us that he was the one who was paying Jyoti through UPI. And in turn, Jyoti had a lot of other access, a part of which, you're looking at a lot of these videos right now. Though we must say that this is a matter under scrutiny, under investigation. But agencies also say that there could be more arrest in the next few days. So you've seen these arrests happening in from Haryana, some from Punjab, some even from Uttar Pradesh, and there are more people under the radar, and all these people are being tracked under Operation Mir Jafar. Why is this name important? Because the moment you hear Mir Jafar, this name is synonymous with treachery, with betrayal. जब आप अपने देश को धोखा देते हैं, in plain simple terms. He was a commander under the Bengal Nawab, betrayed the army, and since then, this entire, conversation about how someone is being a Mir Jafar has traveled far and wide. So I think this is a significant operation right now that is being undertaken by our agencies. Where they say that all those Indians who've been collaborating with the Pak agencies, with their deep state, that is their ISI, are going to be picked up. When you think of espionage, when you think of such cases, one name that did come to mind, and I'm sure that a lot of you must be aware about, was Madhuri Gupta. Madhuri Gupta is no more, but she was an Indian Foreign Service officer arrested in the year 2010 for leaking secrets to Pakistan's deep state, to the Pakistan ISI. And she, remember, went through the entire case under the Official Secrets Act. She did serve a punishment. Today, she is no more. But I think this is the beginning of a huge, significant crackdown that you're looking at. And the agencies believe that this is just the tip of the iceberg. In the last many months, they believe that the Pak deep state has multiple assets here in the country who've been using their influence and a lot of other soft power possibly to pass information to the rogue state Pakistan. So that is why when you have this war, it is not just about an enemy that you can see, which is clearly Pakistan, backed by powers like China, backed by powers like Turkey, but also right now about the enemy that you can't see, but an enemy that is equally dangerous. And that is why, after the pause in Operation Sindoor, you have this Operation Mir Jafar. We'll continue to track that story and tell you more about where the investigations are headed on NDTV.